Everybody hear me? Whoa, step back. Hello? Check, that better? Okay.
Morning everyone, this is nice and beautiful. Look at that. Rainbow and everything, and geese and mountains and everything that is so nice and quiet and peaceful. And then we have James in the tent. He did a good job putting the tent up last night. Absolutely beautiful location. We bushwhacked our way through using our bikes, as you can see the state of our bikes, through all these trees. But what we didn't realise, because it was 11 o'clock at night, is there was a public footpath right next to it. Anyway, so today we're going to try and get to Penrith. I think it's a 30 mile, and we shall see how far we get. Google says 2 hours, but we all know that Google lies. So keep spreading the word, keep donating, thank you. It's like 600 quid now. It's absolutely brilliant, I can't believe it. So yeah, just keep it going, thank you. So we've just had breakfast in Booths, which is like The Walking Dead. It's basically full of coffin dodgers. But we're full, we've got bellies full, and we're ready to go for a good 20 mile or so. So we'll see how that goes. Also, the strap in the middle snapped on this, so now I've got a roof bar strapped across my chest to hold in this ridiculous weight, which also, by the way, has 10 cans in. May or may not be adding to the weight.
I'm missing about 5.
Get to where have you lost all them? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there's one there behind there. That's all right.
I don't think I've ever used my front brake. Now I've only got a front brake. My rear disc is now in my bag. I've lost 5 screws. And I've only got a front brake. And we're
19 mile away.
Yeah, from Penrith.
Yeah.
We're about 98 mile away from home.
Oh!
What a good idea.
What a cracking idea this was. I'll help you, James. You can't do the coast to coast on your own, James. How appropriate for our coast to coast.
I'm that dead one.
It's not dead, is he?
Yeah, it's dead.
Oh no, he's twitching. He's twitching.
So was I.
It's raining, it's pouring, it's the Lake District, and it is Keswick to Penrith, which we are doing right now. We've got about 15 miles.
And James is bloody chafing.
The James is chafing. I've got my baboon pants on, and so is James. We've got about 15 miles to go. We've only been at it about 40 minutes. We had a slow start, tripped ourselves after bloody yesterday. James hasn't got a back brake anymore, so that's going to be fun. Keep donating, James. Anything?
Yeah, keep donating. I mean,
Great and fun.
no, I don't think you quite understand how bad this is at the minute.
They don't.
It is absolutely hanging. And I mean hanging.
Yeah.
I mean, if you look up, the clouds are covering sky.
Yeah.
Clouds are covering sky. Clouds are covering hill.
And that is that's a combined IQ. So yeah, see you later, donate, and wish us luck. That's what happened to the last person who attempted the coast to coast. So all that's left of him is a shoe. have to say I'm really happy with my bike at the moment, like. Doing really well, holding up well. Very, very quick down the declines, really helpful on the inclines. The only thing is at the moment, the wrapping's starting to come away, but you can always wrap it again. Otherwise, nice, well worth the purchase. This second day seems a bit steep for some reason, even though it shouldn't be. Well, as you can see, it definitely is. So we have bedded down for the night. We found some track off a road and we've built our castle. It's quite a castle, isn't it? I'd say it's a castle.
It's a hobbit's hut.
It's a hobbit. Oh, don't talk dirty to me. Don't talk hobbits. Right, so what can I say? We've done probably around about 26 mile. We're nigh on halfway along our journey. So we're knackered, but tomorrow is the big one, Hardside Pass, and then we'll see how far we can get from there. Thank you to everyone who's donated and shared and liked. We're now over 600 quid, which is mint. Do you think we could get to 700?
Potentially.
Potentially. Do you think we can get to 800?
I think you're being very greedy.
I'm not being greedy, it's for the girls. It's not us. Well, we are not getting any pennies for this. Look at the state of us. We're drinking Carlsberg just outside a public right way.
Near a bridge.
Near a bridge, yeah. Anywho.
And the world's biggest cabbage.
And the world's biggest cabbage as well, with the world's fattest slugs. Look at the size of him. Anyway, thank you again. Thank you for donating. We'll give you an update in the morning.
Honestly, thank you everyone that's donated. I mean, we're knackered, but it's a good cause.
It's a good cause, just a stupid
Both
idea.
teams are going to benefit massively.
Yeah.
I mean, we are sore. When I say sore,
So,
our shoulders are red raw from our bags. I mean, I don't even look at the bottom of my feet for blisters. Everything you think might be hurting is 100% hurting.
absolutely correct. So,
we are not athletes. We are far from athletes. We are dads with dad bodies. We are carrying dad bodies.
we have got ultimate dad bodies. So,
with 25 to 30 kilo of kit on my back. I'm just going to point that out there.
And with that said, good night.
And a tent that we don't like as well, because it's heavy.
Sweet dreams, keep donating.